I'd like to start off this video with saying thank you to you guys that have stayed with me. Thank you for continuing to be there in my absence, and I don't want to make this a long video, but I do want to let you know that now that time has passed, it's been 6 to 7 years since my last video. I just wanted to let you know that I have changed like we all do. You know, we all get older and our likes change. So I just want to let you know that I'm not heavily into makeup as I used to be. So this channel will be more of pretty much what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, and that pretty much consists of working out. I have lost quite a few pounds, and not just losing weight, but I have toned my body a little bit differently. I've gained muscle mass, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I do that, not particularly in this video, but in videos to come. I focus more on eating better, on finding new things to eat, on finding new ways to make food. I am vegetarian now, or you can say pescatarian. It's been quite some time since last time we spoke, so a lot of things have changed, and I do a lot of shopping, if you want to say. I'm into luxury shopping now. I do a lot of things different, so that's pretty much what my channel is going to focus on. It's just pretty much on a day in the life of me, Stephanie. So I hope you guys stick along for the ride. I hope you guys come back to see my videos. And I guess the first thing I should do with this video, I'm going to just go ahead and start with an unboxing. This isn't any item that is hard to find or anything like that. It's just currently the item that I have not unboxed, and I did order this online on louisvuitton.com, and I did want to share with you some tips on how to get the bag or item that you are wanting and you just can't get your hands on, you know, that difficult to find item. And I do have an example to show you, and I'll let you know how I did that. But first, let's get to this unboxing. I should have brought like a box cutter or something, but they usually come with this tab like this. You just rip off, and as soon as you open the box, it'll have the name here, and your items just come just like that. It's pretty much like shopping at the store. So here it's just paperwork and the receipt, and as always, so let's open this. Normal dust bag as always, and I got the 6-key holder, and I decided on going with the damier bean print because the inside is the dark canvas, and I prefer this much more than like the pink ballerine interior or even the monogram canvas, which comes with a lighter cognac color inside, just because I will be carrying keys. Keys are so dirty, you know, and I know that the interior is going to get dirty, so I just preferred this one over the other ones. So yeah. So anyway, what I did want to talk to you about was how to get hard to find items, or items that just never become available anymore, even discontinuing items. So I had my eye on the Favorite MM bag from Louis Vuitton, of course, and it was just never in stock. My closest store is about an hour and a half away, and I sometimes go to see if this particular bag is available, and it is not. They're telling me it's being discontinued. Every time I call the 1-800 number, they tell me that it is being discontinued, that they're not making anymore, you know, whatever. So what I did is I pretty much stalked the website. So when you are in the website, let's see if I can do this and show you. When you pull it up on the website, it always says call for availability. So what I did was I added the bag to my wish list so that whenever I went back to the website, it was readily available. I could just literally press a button and the bag would come up. So what I did was I just kept doing that. It took me just a few hours actually. I did it, of course, on a day that I was off, and it took me just a few hours. So I just kept refreshing the website, kept refreshing, went to my favorites, to my wish list, and then I would just hit that, and I kept doing it, and I kept doing it until it finally said place in cart. Now, when that happened, I was just like freaking out. I was hurrying up and logging in, because if you log in prior to just be ready for when it actually does say place in cart, and you log in prior, it logs you out after a few minutes. So that really doesn't work. What does work though is having your credit card information already set up on the site so that you can, bypass that part, and you don't have to do all those keystrokes and all that. But anyway, I did that for a few hours. Finally said place in cart. I didn't even think about it, and I did it. I went ahead and did it. I got my email confirmation, and I really wasn't sure that I was gonna get it, because everybody and their grandma wants this bag, and I wasn't sure if I actually did purchase it. The money did come out of my account, and I just waited for the email. The email finally said that my purchase was confirmed, and I was super, super excited. So let me go get the bag so I can just show you. So I have not even used this bag. I pretty much just got it. The plastic is still on the hardware. And speaking of, I do have another trick on how to protect your hardware. Here is the strap that it comes with, and the interior, of course, brand new. I haven't used it. And what else? Just the Texo card, and what else is this? And just the, I don't know, what is this? But it has the item number N41129. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys because I was desperate for this bag. I wanted to share with you guys the protection that I have for my bags. It's not this one. It is pretty much similar to this, and it is from the Handbag Haven, and it is a website. I believe it is in the UK, but I have ordered from them. I did order a Favorite MM protector for my bag. I did order one for a Felici that I have. Also ordered one for the Pochette Matisse by Louis Vuitton as well. And I ordered that not having the bag. I know the bag is supposedly the older version is being discontinued as well. It's a whole other different story. They do have a new version out there with a newer handle, but I'm not crazy about that handle. So I do want the older one. And what I'm going to do on my next day off is I'm going to stalk the website because it definitely works. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to get it. I am sure I'm going to get it. I already have the protector for the S-Lock that it comes with, so I'm speaking it up there. I'm getting this bag. Anyway, guys, thank you so much if you're still here towards the end of this video. I know it's going to be a long one, but it's just because I am reintroducing myself to everyone that doesn't know who I am, and why I've been MIA so long is just a whole different other story I might get into in another video, but I'm glad to be back, and I'm thankful for all of you. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do so down below, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.